Have you ever been so excited about cleaning in your life? What we do is we provide free house cleaning services to families who are battling cancer. They never pay a dime. We go in, we clean their home. They feel like, okay, I can make it through another day or another week while I'm dealing with my cancer. Help somebody who hasn't paid for this and won't be asked to pay for it, we're just giving from our hearts.
There's some stuff that they can't do physically, so that's where we come in. We try to get all the cobwebs out, we try to do all the baseboards. It actually feels awesome, especially when you greet the patient at the beginning and they're just so grateful and we're just so happy to do it. If it's something that we already do in our everyday life, why not try to help out our community?
You know what? That's why we're here. We love being here. Thank you for letting us.